The word actually looks the same in many countries. In Spanish, actualmente. In French, actuellement. In Italian, attualmente. And in Portuguese, atualmente. But looks can be deceiving. So first, let's talk about false friends. False friends are words which look very similar in your language, but are in fact very different in English. In Spanish, embarazada means pregnant, but in English, embarrassed means to feel shame. In French, pain means bread. But in English, pain means a physical sensation which makes you say, ow! In English, gift means present. But in German, das Gift means poison. So, actually is another false friend. In other languages, it means currently or at the moment. But not in English. In English, it has a few different functions. 1. To correct a mistake someone else makes. You only speak English, right? Actually, I speak 3 other languages too. Number 2. To change your mind. I'm gonna stay in bed all day and watch Netflix. Actually, no, I'll do some exercise. I have to say this one a lot. Number 3. To mean in fact or in reality. Wait a minute, let's rewind. False friends are words which look very similar in your language, but are in fact or actually very different in English. Last is pronunciation. Many people think it's pronounced with 4 syllables, actually. But actually, we pronounce it with 3 syllables. Actually. Try it with me. Actually. The word actually is very common in English, and now you can use it correctly. Hi guys. So, that's me, Sasha. I'm an English teacher from the UK and I would love to make more of these videos. If you enjoyed it, please show your support with a like, a share, and especially subscribe to the channel. It means I can make more. Thanks for watching.